Happy Thanksgiving! We want to wish you happy and wonderful Thanksgiving. This year is different. COVID has changed all of our lives and has been extremely difficult for many of us. But you know, we still have a lot of things to feel grateful for. Our families, friends, food, our health, even bad times, because they make us appreciate more good times. So we hope your Thanksgiving Day will be filled with love, good food, great company, obviously virtually. So we are sending lots of kisses and hugs. So happy Thanksgiving from my family to your family. Bye!